Python dictionary, are keys and values always the same order? It looks like the lists returned by keys and values methods of a dictionary are always a one-to-one mapping, assuming the dictionary is not altered between calling the two methods. For example, if you do not alter the dictionary between calling keys and calling values, is it wrong to assume the above for loop will always print true? I could not find any documentation confirming this.
Found this? If items, keys, values, iteritems, iterkeys, and itervalues are called with no intervening modifications to the dictionary, the lists will directly correspond. On 2. X documentation and 3. X documentation.
Yes, what you observed is indeed a guaranteed property. Keys, values and items return lists in congruent order if the dict is not altered. Iterkeys and C also iterate in the same order as the corresponding lists.
Yes, it is guaranteed in Python too. X. If keys, values and items views are iterated over with no intervening modifications to the dictionary, the order of items will directly correspond.
Yes. Starting with Python 3.6, dictionaries return items in the order you inserted them. Ignore the part that says this is an implementation detail. This behavior is guaranteed in Python 3.6 and is required for all other Python implementations starting with Python 3.7.
Good references to the docs. Here's how you can guarantee the order regardless of the documentation, implementation.
If you want to slow down, please consider subscribing.